You already have some default fields on your contact information, but in case you'd like to add different kinds of fields, you can use the custom fields options under the configurations menu and then custom fields. On this page, you're going to create first the groups of the fields that you'd like to add. Add the group name, so in this situation, demo, for example, and then you select what form you'd like to add those fields. For this example, we're going to use the contact form and then click on Save. Now let's create the fields for this specific group that you just created. There are many different types of fields that you can create. For this example, we're going to add a text field. So just put the name of the field, just a regular field, for example, if it's required or not, and then the placeholder that you'd like to add. And the size of this field as well. After that, just click on Save. Let's add a new one. As an example, now I'm going to select a radio button, radio options. And the same way that we just did, I'm going to add a name, and now I'm gonna add the options. So option A, option B, and option C. If I'd like to delete any of them, just click on the red button. Otherwise, if I would like to add it, just click on the blue button and then Save. Let's add a third one. So now I'm gonna select the drop-down list. The same way that we just did with the radio buttons, I'm gonna add the options. So option 2, save, option 3, and save. And then I'm gonna add a name. Now let's add a large text area as an example. And I'm gonna add here 10 rows. There you go. Now we have this demo group and it's showing in contact form, and we created these 4 different types of custom fields. If you'd like to edit any of them, just click on the blue button, Edit and Update. Once you are all done, just click on Go to Form and check everything that you just created. On the top, you have the default fields, and then here you go. You have all the custom fields that you just created under the demo group. Here you have the regular text field, the radio buttons, and then the drop-down list, and the text field with 10 rows. Now that you have this specific new group, you have this shortcut to edit or add a new field if you'd like to do it. For example, let's add a number field right now. And there you go. Now you have a new custom number field in your contact form. And you can create as many custom fields as you'd like, including in your user form, not only in the contact form. Let's add one field in the user form just as an example. So here you can see all the default fields, and then when you scroll down, you're going to see your custom fields that we just created here as a demo too. For example, the number of employee as a number field. And you can also click on the name of your custom fields group and edit or add new fields the same way that we just did with the contact form.